All right, working a little bit late tonight and getting this Sprinter 2500 done. Shelving was done the other day, and my buddy now has decided that he wants to go with the Ryobi Link system. So we filled it up with Ryobi crates and toolboxes and stuff like that, since he's going to be doing a full Ryobi tool set for the next couple years. Usually goes through sets 3 years at a time, and this thing is amazing. I'll throw on Amazon links to the crates, the toolboxes, small, medium, and large, with wheels. This is a 2023 Mercedes 2500 Sprinter, and these shelves actually hold a lot of weight. Support the weight of 2 grown men, big guys, sitting down, and I'm actually very happy with this build. It's a very clean build. Everything is gray. Panels are gray, floor is gray. The shelving will actually be painted gray too. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Yeah, I'm very proud of this. Very proud, very happy. My buddy's very happy. And shit, Ryobi. That's what we're gonna do. If you guys want to check out the Milwaukee 2500 Sprinter, I also have that build ready to go. Thanks for watching.